Investing doesn't have to be scary. I get it. You hear investing and you think stock market crashes, or you think you need to have millions and millions of dollars to invest. But guess what? Neither is true. We can invest our money automatically with a very little amount of money to start. Apps like Acorns will allow you to invest with as little as $5. Now, there is simply no excuse for you not to invest your money. Sign up for this robo-advisor Acorns, and it will allow you to set up automatic contributions, even if they're as little as $5. And let your money grow. The sooner we invest our money, the more time it has to grow and help us meet our financial goals. I have a link in the description below that will allow you to get your first $5 in Acorns deposited if you use it. Check them out now.